welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to see Maths syllabus as per 2025 ICSE examination class 10. If you think this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Now let us see the syllabus. There will be one paper of 2.5 hour duration carrying 80 marks and internal assessment of 20 marks. This paper is for 80 marks and your internal marks are 20. This paper will be divided into two sections. Section 1 40 marks, Section 2 40 marks. Section 1 and Section 2 are equally divided with 40 marks. Section 1 will consist of compulsory short answer question and Section 2 candidates will be required to answer 4 out of 7 questions. In Section 2 you will get choice. You have to attend 4 questions out of 7 questions. First unit commercial mathematics. In the first chapter goods and service tax. In this chapter, you have to study computation of tax including problems involving discount, list price, profit loss, basic cost price including inverse cases. You are also expected to find price paid by consumer after paying state goods and service tax and central goods and service tax. The different rates as invoice of different types of items will be provided. Problem based on corresponding inverse case is also included. And the second chapter banking recurring deposit account. In this chapter you have to study computation of interest and maturity value using the formula I is equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. MV is equal to P into n plus 1. You have to study these topics in the chapter banking. And the third chapter shares and dividend. You have to find face or nominal value, market value, dividend, rate of dividend and premium. And the formula included are income is equal to number of shares into rate of dividend into face value. Return is equal to income by investment into 100. Here they have given the note brokerage and fractional shares not included. And the second unit is algebra. The first chapter is in algebra is linear inequations. Linear inequations is one unknown for x belongs to n, w, z are solving algebraically and writing the solutions in set notations from representation of solution on the number line. Here you should represent the solutions on the number line. Quadratic equations in one variable. In this nature of roots, two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac greater than 0 and two equal real roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 and non-real roots if b square minus 4ac less than 0. And solving quadratic equation by factorization and using formula and solving simple quadratic equation problems. And ratio and proportion. Here ratio part is not included in the syllabus, only proportion, continued proportion, mean proportion and the properties of the proportion that are componendo, dividendo, alternando, invertendo and their combinations. and direct simple application on properties only. Factorization of polynomial here. Factor theorem, remainder theorem. Factorizing a polynomial completely after obtaining one factor by factor theorem. Here they have given a note f of x not to exceed degree 3 and matrices, order of matrix, row and column matrices, compatibility for addition and multiplication, null and identity matrices, addition and subtraction of 2 into 2 matrices, multiplication of 2 into 2 matrix by a non-zero rational number and a matrix, and arithmetic and geometric progression, finding the general term, finding sum of first n terms, and simple applications are included. Coordinate geometry. First, reflection. Reflection of a point in a line x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to a, the origin. And reflection of a point in origin and invariant points. Coordinates expressed as xy, section formula, midpoint formula, concept of slope, equation of line, various forms of straight line. Section and midpoint formula. Internal section only. Coordinates of centroid of a triangle included. Here internal section only. You have to study internal section only. Equation of a line. Slope intercept from y is equal to mx plus c. 2 points from y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1. Geometric understanding of m as slope, gradient, tan, theta, where theta is angle the line makes with positive direction of x-axis. Geometric understanding of c as y-intercept, the ordinate of the point where line intercept the y-axis, the point on the line where x is equal to 0, conditions for two lines to be parallel or perpendicular. Simple application all the above. And the third unit is geometry. Chapter is similarity. Similarity as a size transformation, comparison with congruency, keyword being proportionality, three conditions SSS, SAS, AA, simple application. In this, you have not to study proofs because they are not included. Application of basic proportionality theorem. Area of similar triangles are proportional to the square of corresponding sides. Direct application based on the above, including application to maps and models. Loci. Definition, meaning, theorems and construction based on loci. The focus of the point at a fixed distance from the fixed point in a circle with the fixed point as the center and fixed distance as radius. The focus of point equidistance from two intersecting lines is the bisector of the angles between the lines. The locus of a point equidistance from two given points is perpendicular bisector on the line joining points. In this also proofs are not included. And circles. In this you have to study angle property, cyclic property, tangent and secant property. In this, proofs of theorem given above are be taught unless specified otherwise. Construction. A construction of tangent to a circle from an external point, circumscribing and inscribing a circle on a triangle and a regular hexagon. Mensuration. Area and volume of solids, cylinder, cone and sphere. Problems on frustum are not included here. Trigonometry, using identities to solve and prove simple algebraic trigonometric expression. Sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square a. 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a is to 0 greater than equal to a greater than equal to 90 degree. Height and distance. Solving 2D problems involving angles of elevation and depression using trigonometric tables. Cases involving more two than right angle triangles are excluded here. Statistics. Basic concept, mean, median, mode, histograms and ogive. Computation of measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode of raw and array data. Mean, median, class and model for group data, both continuous and discontinuous are included. Mean by all three methods. Graphical representation. Histograms less than or give. Finding the mode from the histogram, the upper quartile, lower quartile and medium etc. from the ogive. Calculation of interquartile range. Probability. Random experiments, sample space, events, definition of probability, simple problems on single events. This is the syllabus for 2025 ICSE examination, class 10 ICSE. If this video is an informative video for you, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.